In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a location to TikTok video. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app and then tap at that plus sign to start creating your video. On that step, you can use your camera to record a short video, or you can upload some from your camera roll. And once you've done with that, hit at that checkmark icon and then next, until you get to this step, and that's where you can easily find a location feature. You can just tap on it to see the list of suggested locations right here, and also it prompts us that if we want to find nearby places recommended for our post, we should turn on location services in our device settings. We can do it right from here by hitting at that button and then selecting allow while using app, just like that. After that, it will refresh the list of that locations. We can choose any location from that list, or we can just search for location by their name, and then just by hitting at that location we can add it to our video. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.